Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites so nothing blocks provisioning. Make sure you have an Azure subscription with owner or contributor permissions and register the Microsoft Container Service provider. Once done, install Azure CLI version 2, 30 or newer, Kubectl, and optionally the Axe Preview extension to access newer features. Next, run as login and create a resource group with as group create name RG location Eastus. Pick a region close to your users to reduce latency and keep naming consistent for later automation. Now you create and configure the cluster. Use as Axe create with node count 3 and a suitable VM size. Enable RBAC and Azure AD integration for secure access. Choose networking. Kubernetes if you want simpler IP management, or Azure CNI for pod IPs in VNet. The choice affects scale and IP planning. After the control plane is provisioned, add node pools for specialized workloads and enable cluster autoscaler with as Axe node pool. Add to handle load changes without manual intervention. Finish by fetching credentials with as Axe get credentials and verify the cluster via Kubectl get nodes and Kubectl get pods all namespaces. Enable monitoring with as Axe enable add-ons monitoring so you get logs and metrics in Azure Monitor and Container Insights. Deploy a simple test app, expose it with an ingress controller, and configure HPA for pod autoscaling. If something fails, check Kubectl describe on problematic pods and Azure activity logs. One quick tip: confirm network security groups and NSG rules aren't blocking pod-to-service traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.